Within a Kubernetes cluster, an important component is the control plane. The control plane is responsible for making global decisions about the cluster and detecting, as well as responding to cluster events like deployments, increasing incoming traffic, or upcoming errors. The control plane contains different types of components which are important for the control plane to handle the cluster management. The etcd component is a highly available and distributed open-source key-value store used to hold and manage critical information about the Kubernetes cluster. The kube scheduler, as the name suggests, is responsible for scheduling newly created pods within the Kubernetes cluster. The kube scheduler watches for newly created pods and assigns them to nodes. The kube scheduler uses a set of factors in order to make decisions like resource requirements, hardware, software, and policy constraints, data locality, inter-workload interference, and more. Kube-controller manager is a component for running controller processes. If we speak of a controller in the context of the control plane, it is a control loop watching the state of your cluster and makes or requests changes if necessary. The kube-controller manager interacts through the API server and has the goal to move the current state towards the desired state. The cloud controller manager embeds cloud-specific control logic, allowing you to link your cluster into your cloud provider's API. It also separates the components that interact with the cloud platform from the cluster-only components. If you're running Kubernetes on-premise or on your local machine, the cluster won't need a cloud controller manager and therefore won't have one. Finally, the kube-API server, the heart of the Kubernetes cluster, is the component to expose the Kubernetes API to the world. The component is designed to scale horizontally, which means the more instances are deployed, the higher it scales. That allows you to run several instances of the kube-API server and accomplish load balancing between these instances. So you see, each of these components within the control plane has its own dedicated task, like workers within, let's say, a power plant. They all need to be at job site, on time, and highly qualified to keep the lights on so you can play your video games.